We're starting again. You don't know that because we've edited the other part out. But it's called Brushy Fork of Johns Creek. Many different, slightly different or way different tunes with the same title. So you're stuck with this one from us for right now.
In A modal, I'm tuned I'm tuned E, A, D, E, fifth strings in A.
Okay. Catch the mistake if you can. A $1 prize if you catch my mistake.